Right, guys, ladies and gentlemen. So today is Wednesday, February 26th. Of course, we provide different presentations for the Trade Tribe, and today, as always, this is like the Jake's day, and he'll gonna provide some updates about the TMX, about the Trade Tribe, plus the live trading, which is the really cool. So you're gonna check how he trade live, how he get that profit. It's always great to check, and still have the time to bring some people in. Yeah, like to bring some people on our presentation because in the end of the presentation we're gonna have the giveaway, and the giveaway for the TMX tokens, which is much interested than USDT because the token will gonna grow, guys. And of course that bonus could be like 5x, 10x, and even more. Of course it's up to you if you're gonna hold it or just you're gonna decide to sell it fast. Yeah, so it's gonna be, guys, how you're gonna decide with that. And of course with us today, Gottfried. Yeah, so our partner Gottfried Happer from the Austria, our ambassador of Europe, also our co-founder Brian Rhodes, David Mercada. So guys, really soon gonna be the meeting in Munich, yeah, 8th of March. So we invite you to check us, like to see us offline, what it's all about, if you of course have that willing, if you have that desire, and we're ready to start. Jake, if you're ready, just let's start it, and let me just send more notifications so people can join.
Okay,
Right.
okay, yeah. So thank you, Tim, for the intro. Hello, guys. Yeah, so as you know, today is Jake Trading Day. Yeah, so basically every Wednesday since whole last year we've been doing this. So yeah, basically today we will go to the market. As you can see, market is now pretty dumpy. Yeah, just price break down some support lines. So we will check. We will maybe try to catch up some nice trades. I tried to, I try. I was thinking, yeah, to make some trade today on DEX, but yeah, I just go with wrong account on my another computer. Yeah, so I just check this out now. I send the money to the other computer, but yeah, we have also opening funded account, so we will trade on it today. But yeah, for the next week, I'll try, yeah, to get on the deck, so we'll see how simple is that and how easy is all this stuff to work. And yeah, so let's jump on the work. As I said today, I will not speak too much about the decks and about. Please, Tim, if you can please mute everybody. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah, one second, bro. Just let me just do that. Right, mute all. Yeah, good. You can just unmute
oh,
yourself and
okay,
start
great.
it.
Yeah, so most of the guys already know. Yeah, so we are the Trade Tribe. We are a company we're building for the whole last year. We've been trading with the guys, for the guys, and we've been sharing the profit for the whole year almost now. And as you can see from the beginning, we speak about how we want to bring our own exchange, our own decentralized exchange. And now we are close to our goal. As you can see here, here is our funding page. So basically we have the page when we will fund our decentralized exchange and to sell our tokens of decentralized exchange. So basically you can see now we are in private seed phase. For all guys who are new in private seed phase, you will be able to deposit to take away your tokens. So as I said, from this moment, yeah, you're able to go with it. It will last maybe I think more 30 and 4 or 5 days more. And as I said, we have market cap of 1 million. We already go with $152,000. Yeah. And also we have the transfers from the Trade Tribe into it, into the TMX token. So yeah, as I said, guys, don't wait too long. Yeah, this will be closed. Yeah, in very soon period. Yeah, so basically as I said, the market cap is only 1 million. Yeah, so as I said, take your position, take your tokens, make a deposit, and you will be able to get yourself a profit and be the part of the decentralized exchange for the years to come and be one of the stakeholders. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You just need USDT on Arbitrarium network and some small amount of Ethereum on Arbitrarium, around $1 and even more, even less. And when you deposit, you will get your GMX. As I said, also you will need to be invited by your promoter because this is private seed phase. But yeah, as I said, please contact us promoters who share you this link, who share you this Zoom, this group, and you will be able to get the tokens out. Yeah. So as you can see, after we finish this private seed phase, at that moment we'll go with TJ event, token generating event. This event will last for 30 days. In these 30 days, we'll try to raise 485 Ethereums. All these Ethereums will be liquid on the market with the token. So basically, when the DEX go live, we will have all tokens, all Ethereums what we get into the market and fully liquid. So that means we will have few $1 million into the liquidity put on the market and ready to be traded. So basically, if you know, this can pump the price really fast, really big, and pump it for the years to come and move it in really big heights. So yeah, as I said, this is one of our goals. And as I said, this was now we have one token just for 50 cents, half of a dollar. But yeah, after we finish private seed phase, when we go with TGA event, it will be much more expensive, two, three, even five times more expensive than it's now. Yeah. So basically,
Hey,
don't wait too
quick
long.
question, Jake. What
Yeah.
is a what is a TGE event?
Yeah, TG event means token generating event. That means that all Ethereums what we collect will be put on the market as liquidity for the tokens. So basically, one TMX tokens will be backed by amount of Ethereum will be raised. So that means that we will at that moment mint that tokens and put them on exchanges, put them live. Let's say this way. Yeah. So that this is the first event that will put live tokens on the market fully liquid. So basically, this is the meaning of TJ event. So yeah,
All
as I
right.
said, guys, that means that let's say sometimes you see maybe crypto projects when they open, let's say, phases when they go live with some token, but they are minting that token. So let's say you send them $10, they mint you 10 tokens, and this is how these guys do with these crypto projects. And during the time, the price rise, but when the guy starts selling, big selling, then the price go really fast and really down. Basically, with TJ event at that moment, we will have fully liquid tokens because we will have 30 days to collect these Ethereum and we will put them all on exchange. Basically, your tokens will already have liquidity behind it. And this means even bigger price for the liquidity, even bigger price for the token, and more attraction from the traders and from the liquidity depositors. So basically, TGA event means that we can make the price even bigger and make bigger impact on the market with our opening. But yeah, I will not stay too long with the TMX. As I said, it's really huge project. Stay with us. On the Mondays, I speak only about TMX and I speak how we do it, how we build it, what we can expect. And yeah, as I said, there'll be a lot of information coming in coming weeks. So yeah, you guys will see what we've done already and what we can expect. But yeah, let's go now on to trading. So this is what we do for the last year. So yeah, as you can see now, this is the Bitcoin. So basically, I'll maybe make some clearer chart. Yeah. So as you can see now, price dropped to the $84,000. So now we are expecting maybe some small pump to catch up. So in trading, we call this falling knife. So this means when the knife is falling, don't catch it. Yeah. So don't trade the short when everything is going down because there's big possibility you will be liquidated. But yeah, now we just see breaking of support on the Bitcoin. So now I will just show you in bigger time frame what we see. So basically this, yeah. So this was our full breakout what we have last time when we go with push on the market. And now we are at long-term support line. So basically, if you can see now, we'll just show you. We just break and take this liquidity here. Take this liquidity here. And now we are looking up, maybe go to the lowest point of 75K. As I said, 75K is some imaginary number. Probably we will not catch this down. But yeah, as I said, there is always possibility to catch some small wicks, even lower, maybe to the 80K, then going up. Yeah. But as I said, this is clear manipulation, clear taking out. And as you can see, we see big long-term support here. And now, as you can see, we just start coming back and there's big possibility that we take already this amount of the liquidity up. But yeah, as I said, there is still plenty of the space before full retest of this push up. As I said, next target will maybe be around 110 to $115,000. But yeah, as I said, for now, we are just looking to hold under this line. And if we manage to hold and break about 88K, we will then see bigger push up. What we are now looking is this. So there's big possibility that we will retest this red line. So this red line means the old support, but now become the resistance. So there's big possibility that we will go into the 88K maybe, and then continue breaking down. So basically this could happen, but if we break the 80K, soon we will see bigger push up. So as you can see here, from the price of $80,000, we push really high to the 88,000, just hold for the few days and then continue to the $100,000. So basically this is how Bitcoin goes. Now let's see what happens with Ethereum. So yeah, as you can see, Ethereum is really slow, really weak. Yeah, so basically we just come back into this range what we have before this last push up. So now we just collect all this liquidity. We also make this week fill almost most of it. So as I said, there is still possibility that we will go into this range of 2,000, maybe $50. If you can see here. But yeah, with this move, we will then fill all this liquidity down. And from that, we will be able to go even higher and maybe go to the 5,000. Yeah. So basically from this point, there's still maybe some space to break down to the 2,000. How much is this? $100. But yeah, as I said, this is now still good buying price. So if you are ready to invest with Ethereum for the longer term, for the longer view, now it's buying position, and at this prices of 2,300, 2,100, this is a good buying price. Yeah, so basically if you can buy here and hold it for the coming months, I think yeah, you will be in some nice profit, or go with TMX, put it there, and we can make even bigger price. But yeah, what we do next, yeah, we trade this kind of the drops. So now we will do what we do every Wednesday. We'll go with lower time frame. So let's see what we have here on the market. So as you can see, we just see the breakdown. Now we will just move our targets a little bit lower, Just let's check it. The 15 minutes. So yeah, if you can see here, we're just finding some small support here at this area. See a few wicks here. So now we will see if we are going to see next push up and coming back into the range. So as I can see here, we got some bullish confirmations here. So let's see if they manage to hold. So now let's go into the 5 minutes. Yeah, as you can see here on the 5 minutes, now the market's looking better. So there's big possibility we will see some push up back to the 85, maybe $86,000. So let's go on 1 minute chart. So yeah, so there is big possibility that we find some support here. As you can see, we see higher low, and now we are looking for the breakout about 85,000. So let's see how this will pass. If we see the breakout about 85,000, maybe then we will go into the long position to take some small moves here. Let's see what we have here. So basically from this point, this is short-term resistance line. It's around 0.5%. So as I said, the breakout could possibly go even higher and go maybe to the 86K. Just like check this out. Let's see how the price will move. So as you can see, guys, this is how market is now working. So basically, all these charts, all these small candles are 1 minute. Yeah. So basically, these are the 1 minute charts now. So now we are looking for the opportunity of the breakout of bigger push up. So as I said, now this is looking good. So there's big possibility that we will see the push up. So now we will go into our trading account. We will create new order with the Bitcoin. We'll get with maybe 2.5. This is $200,000 the trade. So let's see how it's going. We managed to take. So now at this point we are still at resistance. Now let's see, we'll be able to take this push up. 86. Let's see how much we can get with 86K. Well, let's see if we'll be able to break above this line. Check this. If you can see these small blue lines, these are now resistance lines. Basically, we are looking up to this purple line. So this is like a resistance line. So you will see if we will be able to break above it and go into the 86K. But yeah, as I said now, market is still not looking like finding the bottom. So let's see if we'll be able to hold above it. If we're able, we will go into the long position with 200,000 and trying to go about to the $86,000. Yeah. So as you can see here now, we're just forming the bottom down. But yeah, from this moment, we are looking to go above the resistance. Also, yeah, we can see what's happening on other charts with Ethereum, with smaller coins. So yeah, as you can see, Ethereum also hold up here, still didn't manage to break. So there is possibility that it will continue down or until they find this support line. Yeah. So basically, for this line, we will see if we'll be able to break it. If we break it, we will go even to the lower time, lower price. Also, yeah, let's see one of the bigger movers, APT going plus today. So yeah, as you can see, just break above this resistance line. See what happened with AVAX. Yeah, AVAX also copying the Ethereum. So basically, most of the altcoins are just copy of Ethereum. Yeah, so what's happened with Ethereum, they will copy and follow up. So yeah, as I said, there is always some move, some big gainers, big movers, but when this kind of event happen, when all market is down, at this point, yeah, most of these coins will just follow up what's happening on the market and go into the line. For the XRP, as you can see, we find some resistance line. So we will see how how strong is it, or will it see some breakdown even lower, or maybe to this line. So let's see how it goes. Will it manage to hold? Because when this kind of events happen, the recovery is really fast. Yeah, so basically from 83,000 to $90,000, it can happen in 5 minutes. But if we go lower, if we break under it, yeah, so at that moment it can go even down, even lower. But yeah, as I said, from this point of the view, we are now looking just from the small recovery phase. And if it managed to break above, we will be able to see push into the long term. So basically for this kind of trades, we are looking from 0.5% of the move to maybe max of 1%. For this trade of XRP, we will be looking to get these stops for $2.2, and this is 0.73%. But yeah, as you can see now, it's just coming down and it's just losing some momentum. So basically, I think we'll probably see some new push down and new retest and new resell on the market. Also, let's go with the Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is also consolidating. It's also find this resistance line strong. So let's see what is the target. If it managed to hold above this line, it will be great. But yeah, as I said, now resistance is too strong. And yeah, there's still big possibility that we will see drop down and make it maybe even new lows, because now optimism on the market is not so high. So we will check what's happened with Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance means how much of the volume on the market is on the Bitcoin. Yeah. So basically now, if you can see, almost 61% of whole crypto market is in Bitcoin. Yeah. So basically now it's still too strong for the altcoin season. We need to lower. We need under 50% of whole market going into the altcoins. Then at that moment, yeah, we will see some big results with Ethereum and all other coins. But yeah, for now, as you can see, Bitcoin is still the king. Bitcoin still hold most of the crypto and still have the pushing power. So now we will check the total tree. So total tree is all altcoins except Bitcoin and Ethereum. So as you can see, we already see some big drop down from $1 trillion, $1.1 trillion to the less than $800 billion. So as I said, now we just retest all these low lines. This was from the previous bear market. If you can see this red line, and when we break it, we just go to the $1.1 trillion. Yeah, so lowest price was 600 billion, 600, 400 billion, and then into the 1.1 trillion. So basically, this is where the most money came. But yeah, as you can see now, almost most of this money disappeared and been taken from the altcoins. Also, this is the total. So this is total crypto market. So yeah, as you can see, they just breaking down. So our target was around 5 trillion, but yeah, as you can see now, we just find this support line of 2.75 trillion. So this was previous stop in the bear market. So now we are just looking to hold above this line, and from this point to see another big swing out. If we see the breakout into the liquidity, so this means that a lot of the money will go from the crypto. Maybe we'll go to 2.4 trillion around here. But yeah, as I said, this will mean another 10% or 20% down into the crypto prices. Yeah, so we don't want to see this. We want to see some recovery. But yeah, this event means that the market is taking the money out of the market and putting down into the USDTs. And when USDTs start coming up, they will just pump the price up, yeah, like many times before. So let's come back into the Ethereum. So yeah, as you can see here, give me 1 second. Yeah, the price is still dropping down. Yes, so as you can see, we just didn't manage to break above the line. So line is still strong resistance. So basically we are now looking maybe to continuation into the drop and going to the lower price of $80,000. Yeah. So now maybe we can take some small shorts because resistance hold too strong. As I said, in 1 minute charts, you have some ranges. So basically this range here, it's first support line bigger. This range also. This was our last stops. So yeah, as I said, if we come to these lines, maybe we can go with some small long positions. But yeah, for now, it seems that sell-off will continue and we will see maybe some new lows. But yeah, for now, from this moment, just price is still slow for this move. But yeah, let's see what happened with Ethereum. Maybe there we can find our opportunity. Yeah, Ethereum price is still going down. Yeah, probably this is big wick, so it will be filled now. In most of these cases, when wick is happening, this move, they just take the liquidity down and then fill it. So yeah, as you can see, they just continue to drop down. Let's see, will it go lower than from this point? If we see lower, then we can go short. Yeah, just going down. Let's see. Then we will go now. This is still on hold. Let's see what happened with Bitcoin just managing to hold it a bit lower. Ethereum just start dumping. So we will now move into the Ethereum. So yeah, if you can see now, we just take this liquidity down. So let's see how this minute is finished. If this minute go in green, there's a big possibility we'll continue up. But if it go lower, Yeah, I think we will continue with the drop. So let's prepare ourselves. Let's prepare these positions. So each of this chart is 1 minute. So we are now looking for this minute, how it will it close. Will it find this as resistance and then continue with the drop? So yeah, guys, you can also always write the questions in our chat. Yeah. So yeah, I see just one question. Am I concerned about rates? Yeah, so basically, as I said, always market can go lower, market can go higher. From my trading perspective, yeah, I go with daily trade, so I trade intraday. So basically, today, if we catch up some shorts, it will be good, yeah. But basically, there are some days when you lose, when there are some days when you get bigger trades, but this is intraday. So basically, we trade only during the day. So basically, for me, is the best when the market is volatile. When there is move a few percent, 4, 5, 10% daily, then I can catch some swings, yeah, and then I can catch some nice profit. But when market is low, let's say when market is slowly going up or slowing down, then it's harder to trade intraday because you don't have not big moves on daily basis. But for us, as I can see now, this is, let's say, good option because we can collect more Ethereum, we can take our positions, and we can go even higher. So basically, if you can see now, this is cheap entry point, and this is what happened every time when we see before the real bull market starts. We see some big sell-off. All guys who have long trades, they close it for the long term because they've been scared they will lose all the money up, and basically this is what crypto makers want to do and want to build it up. Yeah. What is your prediction for the bull run to start this year? Yeah, so basically, as I said, most of the cases happens before the summer, maybe in May. But yeah, from this point, I've been looking maybe in May going or later in September. Yeah, so basically in September, we see some, let's say, moves, bigger move, bigger preparation on the market. But yeah, I think this year, maybe in May, if we see, let's say, stop of the war in Ukraine and going lower into the move. So yeah, let's close this down. If we see this, then I think at that moment, yeah, we will see some bigger breakout on the markets. We'll see some bigger liquidity coming up. So yeah, I think maybe in May, but yeah, with Donald Trump, you never know. Yeah, so we will see how it will go. Today, he just announced that European Union he will give them the tariffs. So basically 25%. So all goods what came from Europe will be charged with 25%. So basically, this is big hit, yeah, for the Europe market, and this is, I think, this also helped to make the price go even lower because people are scared because with tariffs we will have, let's say, much more expensive stuff to get into the USA. So basically, if you know, when I watch for the cars, let's say Volkswagen or Mercedes in Europe is much more expensive than in the US. So basically, when you go to the US without the tariffs, it's much more expensive. But for me, if I want to get, let's say, to myself Mustang to get into the Europe, I get really big tariffs on. Yeah. So basically, this is not fair because we charge the tariffs for US citizens on their import and sell them later. Yeah. But yeah, for now, I think, guys, we just finding some bottom. So let's go with some small buy trade here. We're just finishing with Ethereum. So I think we find some small support here. We will go with really low stop loss. Yeah. Let's take this trade up. So now we will just trade the breakout of this point. Just want to show you guys. So we were looking up to on the breakout of this point. Yeah, so basically, if you can see, the market is already trying a few times to break it. So if we manage to break it, I will go into the long trade. But if next go lower, yeah, from that moment we can drop really hard. So basically, this resistance is too strong then for the market at this moment. Let's see how now it will close. Yeah, looking like going even lower. Yeah, now we are in middle of the channel. So basically now we are looking up or break up about this point or breaking down in lower point. So this is now consolidation phase. So yeah, we are looking to move. We are now looking for consolidation. Let's just check once more. Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin also makes some consolidation here. Make it lower low. Let's see, is this good for the trade? Somehow, yeah, we can go with this. Basically, we can go with some small Bitcoin trade here because Ethereum is still consolidating, so no big moves on. Let's come back into the Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is still sitting at our support line. Let's see if we see the continuation. So basically, yeah, so maybe for some guys this is boring, but yeah, as I said, this is my daily job. This is what I do. I follow up the market. I see what's happening, then go on 1 minute chart and take the trade. Yeah. So basically, this is, let's say, one of the hardest part to execute to go. But yeah, as I said, it's always need to take your time, build your position, build your confidence. And from that, you can go with bigger trades and bigger moves. So as I said, now Bitcoin and Ethereum just find some bottoms. And I think, yeah, we're ready to go with some long orders. We'll put it into the 2.5 with 200,000. We will take the profit up at this point at, let's see what it'll go. 500. Yeah, basically I think this is good. A little bit lower. Yeah, here. So we will take the profit up here from $85,360. So yeah, let's build it. So yeah, basically this is, so we now put it into the trade, so we will see how the market will go up. But yeah, as I said, guys, this is what we do on daily base. I will send you the results and how we manage to hold. But yeah, from our perspective, from our view, the market now is still dumpy, still moving down really strong. And as I said, there's big possibility that we will see some kind of maybe taking off new lows. But yeah, from this point, as I see here, this area, I think we are finding some small bottom here. So there'll be possibly some short squeeze. So what's mean of the short squeeze? Short squeeze means that when the guys come up on the market, so let's say you are new on the market, you see this big drop, you see a few red candles down, and at that moment you go into the short trade. So basically you go here with the short trade and you think that market will go even lower. What happens? At that moment, we just retest this drop. So basically, in most of the case, guys will go with maybe 50, 60x here. So the price will go even lower. And then the market will just pump until this line, some retest, and then we will continue with the drop. So what that means? That means that they will take all these late shorts, so late guys who just make these late trades with the short positions, take their money up and then continue with the drop. Yeah. So basically, this is how market is cruel and this is how market works. Yeah. So basically, they always want to take your money out. They will be always be 2 steps in front of you. So yeah, as I said, if you have your trading logic, if you have your trading positions, that moment, yeah, it's not hard to go with it. But yeah, as I said, as always, you can be in danger, you can be scared, or where the market is going, what's happening now, why everybody's selling, why everybody buying. But yeah, as I said, as always, finding your indicators, finding your line. I think, let's say for this LTC coin, yeah. So for the LTC coin, I made these support lines, I think, few months ago. So as you can see, this blue line and this blue line. So basically, and the last time we hit this blue line, if you can see, from that moment, you just go up. Yeah. So basically from this point to this, it go almost 17%. So this is really huge trade. Yeah. Basically, if you put the money here, hold for the trade, you will be in some nice profit. But yeah, this is what you need to wait, maybe even few weeks, few days, you never know. But if you know how to set up the trade, if you know how to find resistance and support line from that point, yeah, you can benefit the best. Yeah. So basically when I get this alert, I see these two green dots, that means that market will probably make the bigger push up, and then I go into the trade. So basically this is how trading is built. So you need to prepare your trading logic, you need to prepare your analysis, and then when price come to your target, then you execute it and make the trade. So basically this is how we do it, and this is how we do it every day. So yeah, as I said, guys, for tonight, I think we are okay. We also have the giveaway. So I don't know if Tim is alive. Yeah, Tim, are you here, bro?
Yeah, I'm live. I'm just like checking that what you provide with the trading, Jake. I'm just like thinking how you want to do the giveaway. You want to do this like it was before, yeah, just like by the random wheel, or you want to make it different?
Yeah, let's do random wheel. Yeah, so let's do.
Okay,
I
so
think guys see too much charts. Yeah,
yeah,
today and too many
just
live.
then give me like few minutes. I will gonna put the
Okay,
names in
okay,
that random wheel.
okay, no problem. Yeah, so Tim will go with that. So yeah, guys, I will just let's go maybe one more overview of the market. So where the prices are now. Just let me till the team go live. I also
Yeah,
get
just
some.
2 minutes, guys. I will gonna put everyone.
Okay, no problem. I also got some questions about the Solana. Yeah. So basically, if you can see, Solana is now at $130. Yeah. So as I said, this is good buying spot now. It could go also to the $80, but yeah, this is this meme coin cap. Let's say this is meme coin push of liquidity. Basically, when the Trump coin came, they pushed Solana liquidity to almost $300. Yeah, and from that moment, it just dropped down to the $130. As I said, this hype, this big push up on the market never end well. Yeah, and this is what happened to Solana. Solana break all the support line, just make really big, huge dump. For now, what I'm looking on, I hope the Solana will not go under $120. So basically, under this line of $120, this was the old support for Solana. So basically, for the months and months, Solana hold about $120. So as you can see now, this is good buying option. So basically, if you're ready to buy, invest in Solana, now when we are close to this point, I think this is really good opportunity for all of you guys to jump in, to take in your position, because at this point, when we hold about 120, I think in coming months, when we see some bull run, when we see some big push up in liquidity on the market, you will see some really good results. Also, yeah, there is big support of Solana at $100 and also at 75 to $80. Yeah, basically this was all support line before this push up. So if you can see in the past, this was I think December of 2021. Yeah, so this was when the first time Solana go into the $260. From that moment, price go down to the $80. So as I said, I hope this will not happen now. We will maybe hold now at $120 at this red line and then go up. But yeah, as I said, as always, in history sometimes repeat, maybe we will go to the $80. But yeah, as I said, I hope no. But yeah, for now, as I can see, this was really strong support line. Here's really strong consolidation. And I think from this point, we will see some bigger push up on the market and we will see some recovery. As I said, this is manipulated work. If you maybe guys see what happened with the Bybit, they lost 1. Almost 5 billion of dollars of the Ethereum, and they just borrow these Ethereums from the Binance, from all big exchanges. And what's happened? They just liquidate all this price, dump the price down, and what happened? They just collect from single liquidation move in one day $700 million. So yeah, so they repay half of their debt just in one day because they dumped the price. Basically, these guys, how we call our traders, how we call the Binance or Bybit or these big exchanges, we call them the cartel. So basically, these guys are crypto cartels. Yeah. So basically, they can move the price whatever they want, and they manipulate most of it. So basically, if they need the money, let's say like Bybit now, they can drop the price. As I said, maybe it not happen today, but before it happens, yeah. So yesterday this happened, they sell it so they can buy cheaper Ethereums and also to repay their debts with this liquidation. So what's happened? All these traders been liquidated. They collect their $700 million and they just repay because with centralized exchange, when you have centralized exchange, this exchange hold all these liquidations, all this liquidity by themselves. But with decentralized exchange, what TMX will be, with decentralized exchange, all liquidity is provided by the users, by the investors, and by the wallets. Yeah. So that means that all our, let's say, trading reward, all our wins will be shared, and 50% of all the fees what we get will go into the liquidity pool. And what is also very good is that all these liquidations, what's happened, let's say if you get $10 million in liquidation this day, all these $10 million will go into our pool. So basically in this liquidity pool, and this liquidity pool will grow even bigger, and your amount and your position in liquidity pool will be even higher. So that means all these liquidations will stay with us, will stay on exchange, and it will be shared with our investors. So as I said, guys, when you invest in TMX, you invest in future, you invest in years to come, and you invest in really big projects. You can bring the profit and can bring the percentages for the years to come. So basically, all this liquidation, all these events will stay with us, will stay on the exchange, and will be shared with our investors.
Yeah, guys,
So
so
yeah,
like we're ready for the random wheel. Yeah, so like Jake, the great presentation, great live trading. So right now what's gonna be, guys, for that people who don't know, we have some, like giveaway and we use the wheel, for that to pick the winner. So I just put all the participants, yeah, just like except us, yeah. So like me, Jake, Brian, and David is not here, but all other guys is right here. So right now just we're gonna pick the winner and you will gonna get some TMX tokens, yeah. So like I just wish luck for all of you. Let's go. Who's that gonna be
let's see
today?
who will be the lucky guy to get 250
Yeah, I think I
TMX.
know this person.
God, for this your lucky day, yeah.
Yeah. So that's great. Yeah, that Guildford will gonna get some more tokens. And yeah, so like
Yeah,
how many is
yeah,
gonna be? 200?
yeah. I think
Yep.
250, yeah, is for this week, yeah, what we have. And yeah, guys, so congratulations, Godfrey. Please send us your wallet. So yeah, we can send it to you. And as I said, guys, if the TMX token go to $10, this point, Godfrey will have 2.5K. Yeah, so he will be a much bigger account. Yeah, so as I said, use these opportunities to take your position, collect the tokens because now are the cheapest. As you can see, when the market is dropping, this is your moment to buy. Yeah, so basically, you want to buy now, you want to take your position into it, and as I said, the sooner you get in, the bigger profit you will have. So as I said, guys, the big days are in front of us. Next week we are going into the Munich, so there will be a lot of the stuff doing there. We will go also offline. We will meet our guys who've been already with us for whole year, and some new guys who will come. So yeah, it will be a lot of the fun. Yeah, and I hope guys are always excited to speak with the traders in live. So yeah, you will see how I do it, how I make it, and as I said, as we promised last year, we do it. Yes, basically, when I first meet the team in Munich, as I said, this is for the most of the guys first time they meet some trader in person in life. Yeah, and as I said, guys, it will be tough, it will be long, but yeah, as I said, we really make some nice results, and now we are ready to move on and with even bigger product with this community. So yeah, guys.
Yeah, right, guys. Yes, I'm gonna post the recording once it converted. Yeah, and we wait for you already tomorrow. Yeah, so tomorrow 1 p.m. Eastern, we're gonna provide some regular presentation for the trade tribe for the TMX. So don't miss out, and maybe you have some people who wanna check these details. Yeah, so how trade tribe and TMX works. So tomorrow 1 p.m. Eastern, me, Brian, and David will gonna do this for you. So yeah, and we'll see you. Yeah, so own your life as always. Stay blessed. Thanks everyone for attending.